Hello AI enthusiasts, it's time for your weekly dose of AI advancements in our weekly AI digest, unleashing the future one week at a time. Don't miss the chance to know the latest in AI. Hit that subscribe button now. Now let's dive into this week's AI wonders. Stepping into this week's AI voyage, OpenAI has made a smooth mix between DALLE-3 and GPT-4 through the help of ChatGPT, lifting the user experience in making images from text. The mix, now in test version, creates a simplified path for users, letting them easily turn text description into eye-catching images without jumping between different applications. By simply choosing DALLE-3 beta from the GPT-4 tab inside ChatGPT, users can now experience the capabilities of DALLE-3, which, with the help of ChatGPT, sharpens text prompts, making sure the images made are closer to the user's idea. This teamwork not only shows the harmony between different AI tools, but also highlights the easy access and increased user engagement in the world of text-to-image making. Available on both web and mobile, this mix is a proof of OpenAI's ongoing effort to merge strong AI abilities, making the process more natural and user-centered. Moving to the automotive realm, Tesla has been carefully improving its full self-driving beta software, getting closer to achieving level 5 self-driving levels. The latest update, named FSD Beta 10, was released with a bunch of improvements aimed at boosting the software's accuracy and safety. With these continuous improvements, Tesla's dream of self-driving car is slowly becoming a near-future reality, promising a future of safer and more efficient road travel. Venturing into the healthcare domain, numerous strides have been made recently, showcasing the growing impact of AI. One notable development is the use of AI to speed up clinical trials. For instance, Amgen's AI tool, Atomic, sifts through vast amount of data to identify and rank clinics and doctors based on their past performance in recruiting patients for trial, ensuring quicker joining and thereby accelerating the pace of clinical trials. The tool's ability to predict which sites will enroll patients effectively can significantly reduce the time and cost associated with clinical trials, bringing life-saving treatments to patients sooner. Furthermore, AI continues to play a vital role in mental health, where it aids in early detection, help, and ongoing support, thereby addressing the need for rising global mental health crisis. The importance of mental health is increasingly recognized, and AI is becoming harnessed to assist us in this domain, marking a significant step towards better mental health care globally. Diving into the education sphere, Microsoft is pioneering a significant change in the education sector with the introduction of an AI teaching assistant designed to generate classroom materials. The essence of this initiative is to reduce the burden on educators, enabling them to create more engaging and interactive learning environments. The AI assistant by Microsoft takes into account the curriculum requirements and helps in crafting materials that not only inform but also entertain, ensure a complete learning experience. This advancement showcases a promising intersection of AI and education, aiming at enhancing the learning journey of students while providing a robust support system for educators. AI needs to be regulated. The landscape of AI regulation witnessed a big move when President Joe Biden signed a full order to regulate AI in the United States. This comes just days before a high-profile AI safety summit, emphasizing the crucial role of ethical consideration in AI advancements. The order outlines guidelines for AI application, ensuring they adhere to ethical standards and promote transparency, accountability, and public engagement. This step underscores the commitment to harnessing AI's potential responsibly while addressing its challenges. AI for accessibility. Creating a more inclusive world, scientists have engineered a robotic seeing eye dog to assist visually impaired individuals. This smart combination of AI and robotics showcases technology's potential to bridge accessibility gaps. The robotic guide dog, equipped with sophisticated sensors and AI algorithms, navigates through various environments, providing a safe and reliable companion for the visually impaired individuals. This breakthrough resonates with the essence of technological advancements aimed at bettering our lives. Investment in AI. AI requires money. The investment sphere is resonating with Google's big $2 billion investment in Anthropic, a move reflecting strong confidence in AI potential to drive future technological advancements. This investment is a testament to the rising importance and reliance on AI across various sectors. Anthropic, known for its human-centered approach to AI, is poised to drive significant innovations with this substantial financial backing. The investment mirrors the growing significance and the boundless potential of AI in shaping a prosperous future. Intrigued by the boundless realm of AI? Ensure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with the latest in AI. Journey with us as we unravel the future one week at a time. As we conclude this edition of the Weekly AI Digest, it's clear that AI is a big force, shaping contours of various sectors. From fostering education, ensuring ethical regulation, promoting inclusivity to attracting big investments, AI's trajectory is nothing short of fascinating. Until our next digest, stay curious, stay informed, and keep exploring the captivating landscape of AI. Catch you next week with more AI narratives. Until then, continue riding the AI wave.